Hello and welcome. Today I have an espresso machine from MEGAWISE. This is a really compact machine. It's really neat. This is what it comes with. It comes with the filter handle, 2 filters, one for 2 cups, one for 1 cup. It has a nice little splash shield in the catcher right there. It does do hot water or steamed milk. On-off button. This is interesting. This comes off, and you can see there's instructions all over this thing, so you don't really need me to tell you, but I'm going to tell you anyway. This comes straight out, so keep that in mind when you're finding some place to put this, because this doesn't come out any other way. I'm going to fill this with cool filtered water. This is something I want to show you while it's cooled off, because I won't be able to show you later. It doesn't tell you anywhere in the manual how to get this off to clean it, but you want to clean it because you're going to have the milk frother up there. It's going to be backing up. So what you will need to do is turn this counterclockwise, and you're turning this metal piece. Hold this and pull down, and it's kind of hard, but it's meant to be. And then you want to get this clean, and you want to get the inside of this all clean too, because milk will build up in here and it'll taste nasty. So then to get it back on, spin it just a little till you find that groove and push it back on. Then turn it clockwise to lock it in. And that stows out of the way like that when you're not using it. The instructions say to fill this to maximum with cool water. I'm using filtered water because I don't want the machine to get scaled up too fast. This goes back on here. You plug it in. You turn it on. And you wait. You see these buttons up here? Gotta wait till these are all on full so that you know it's warmed up. On the first time you do this, you want to see there's a little dimple on here, and that goes in that groove right there. And you want to put this in empty the first time you use it. Now this is a booger. You got to push hard on it, and it has to be straight out or even a little bit to the right for this to operate properly. Okay, the preheating is finished. The cups are solid. We need to put something in here to catch the hot liquid. I'm gonna press the single. And this sound is normal. What I did was, this is the first time, so all the hoses are empty, so I let some water come out of the steam hose so that it kind of primes the pumps. So that was the initial try of this machine. Puts out about that much. This doesn't look dirty. So now we want to make coffee or espresso. So we very carefully open this up. This 2 cup. Now, I've learned that you want this tamped down to be as level as you possibly can. Just eyeball it, of course. But you want that to be as level as possible, and then make sure there's nothing on the edge. Then just like before, it goes at a 45-degree angle till it catches. And then hold it firmly until it gets straight out. And just like that, we got a cup of espresso. What about the milk? let's get some froth milk in there too. Now the instructions say to get the head of the wand about 1 centimeter or 1/3 of an inch below the surface of the milk. So to get this into the right mode, we pull this out. It's warming up. That's just the first try. I'm sure I'll get used to it. I like it. It's handy. I think you like it too. Thank you for watching.